Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday. It's Fat Tuesday. Yeah. Saw a great piece of video this morning while watching the news. The pre-celebrations down in the French Quarter in New Orleans. Very clean streets. Yes. Just wait. All right. As you know, or if you don't know, I didn't cook last night. We had leftover cowboy stew. Oh, God, it was good. That is a wonderful meal. The recipe is in the group. If you can't find it, contact me. I will gladly send it to you. It is a wonderful, wonderful recipe. It's great. It's hearty. It's perfect for winter. Try it. So, tonight, I'm preparing Thai chicken thighs and cilantro lime rice. I was supposed to make this on Thursday. Didn't pull the pork out in time for tonight. In other words, the menu's all screwed up. Because I want to make sure I prepare the shrimp scampi pasta tomorrow for my Valentine. All right, let me show you what I got going on over here. We got some hardware going. There's two ingredients that are definitely in both recipes. The cilantro and the limes. The limes are looking really sad this time of year. Yeah. So I got cilantro, limes, rice. The rice will be cooked in chicken stock, some garlic, a little bit of oil for the chicken, some brown sugar for the marinade. By the way, these chicken thighs, which are now in the center of the frame, are going to be marinated before they're cooked off. So we got brown sugar, garlic, a little bit of olive oil, fish sauce. I'm using pre-ground ginger in a tube. Kosher salt, black pepper, some basil. I can't get a hold of Thai basil this time of year, so I'm just using regular standard Italian basil, or just basil, and some green onion. So that's what I've got going here on Fat Tuesday. How about you? Do you have plans for your Valentine? It's up to you. Especially for you guys. You want to be in the doghouse? Just don't do anything. So, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.